Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. And while there are a lot of people doing it, there are still a lot of myths about affiliate marketing that need to die. But before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money with affiliate marketing. This has helped thousands of ordinary people like me generate income online through affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description below this video and you can check it out anytime you like. Myth number one, affiliate marketing is easy. Well, this is probably the biggest myth about affiliate marketing, and it's one that needs to die ASAP. Just because affiliate marketing is done online does not mean that it is easy. In fact, it can be quite difficult and time-consuming if you don't know what you're doing. There's a lot of competition in the affiliate world, and if you want to be successful, you need to put in the work that it takes. And that means creating quality content, building an audience, and promoting your affiliate links in a way that will actually get clicks and conversions. Myth number two, you need a huge audience to be successful with affiliate marketing. Another common myth about affiliate marketing is that you need a huge audience to be successful, but this simply isn't true. While it certainly helps to have a large audience, it's not necessary for success. There are plenty of people who make a full-time income from affiliate marketing with small audiences. The key is finding the right products to promote and using effective promotion methods like email marketing to reach your target consumers. And myth number three, all you need is a website or a blog and some good content, then just add your links and watch the money roll in. Well, no matter how much traffic your website or your blog gets, if you don't have effective calls to action, or sometimes called CTAs, or compelling offers, you're not going to make any sales through affiliate marketing. And no sales means no commission for you. Now, you could have the best written content on the internet, but unless it's compelling enough for someone to take action, like buy this product now, then all your efforts are for naught. Now, in order to make affiliate marketing work for you, you need to have more than just a website or a blog. You need compelling content that will encourage people to click on your affiliate links. And you need effective CTAs that will lead people to purchase the products or services that you're promoting. If you can create a website or a blog with great content and effective CTAs, then you're well on your way to success with affiliate marketing. But if not, then it's time to rethink your strategy. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and turn it into a full-time six-figure income online, then check out the link in the description below this video for my number one recommendation for getting into affiliate marketing the right way. It's going to give you the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing. It's going to give you the training and the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start online businesses successfully. So check out the link, no pressure. It's totally up to you.